Research and niche selection. Identify a niche or market segment that has demand but is not oversaturated. Research potential competitors and understand your target audience. Create an e-commerce store. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or others. Design a user-friendly and professional-looking website. Find reliable suppliers. Search for reputable dropshipping suppliers or wholesalers. Consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews. Product selection. Choose products with a good profit margin and market demand. Ensure the products align with your chosen niche. Set up product listings. Create compelling product descriptions and high-quality images. Set competitive prices while maintaining profitability. Market your store. Implement digital marketing strategies, including social media, SEO, and paid advertising. Build an email list for customer engagement and promotions. Customer service. Provide excellent customer support to build trust. Communicate shipping times clearly to manage expectations. Handle orders and inventory. Implement systems to manage orders efficiently. Regularly update your inventory and product listings. Monitor and optimize. Track your website analytics and sales performance. Optimize your marketing strategies based on data. legal considerations, understand tax implications, and business regulations, ensure compliance with dropshipping laws and regulations. Scale your business. As you gain experience and success, consider expanding your product range or marketing efforts. Explore additional revenue streams or partnerships. Remember, dropshipping success often relies on thorough research, finding reliable partners, and adapting to market trends.